Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how to select an image along with the hair. So sometimes some images are difficult to select, especially if their hair are flying in air and you want to select each part of their hair. So with the simple normal tools, it's very difficult to select. So I'll teach you a very simple technique to select the images along with their hair. So firstly, I'll select one of the image. I have different images. Suppose I'm selecting okay this image. I'll just drag it down on my Adobe Photoshop. So it's okay. It's been loaded. I'll click on OK. So this is the image. Now, if I'll use the traditional tools, what I was using earlier, like lasso or polygon lasso tool, it's very difficult. So here, what I could do, suppose I have selected this tool, rectangle marquee tool. Okay, and if you'll see on the top here in option bar, there is one select and mask. Click on this option. As a result, this is the interface what you will see. There are some of the tools here. Okay, some of the tools are here. Here also you could see lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and this is quick selection. So firstly, just now it's showing the blank canvas. So what I'll do here in the properties, you will see transparency. So I'll just decrease it, make it to 50% just to see how my image is looking. If I'll make this transparency towards left side to 0%, I could see my image, and when I move towards 100%, nothing is viewable. It's okay. And here I'll just select, suppose the first tool, quick selection, and here one automatic selection option is there, select subject. So AI of Photoshop will select the image itself, nothing you have to do. So I'll just click upon this, select object, and I'll wait for some time, and you will see it has selected very beautifully. So only this part is not selected. So how I'll know which part is selected, which part is not selected? So I'll just go this side in properties, and here I'll just click it on the option overlay. Although different options are there, I'll just click on overlay, what I use the most. I'll click upon this, and here it's showing the parts, different parts which are not selected. Okay, so now you have to delete that white part. I just want the hair. You can just use black option also. So I'll just click on overlay once again, and then from here I'll just select the second option, refine edge brush tool. So it's very beneficial tool. So I'll just use it on the edges. So be sure it should not be of too large size, although you can use angle brackets to make it bigger and smaller, but this size is okay for me. And then I'll start pressing on the edges. You could see here the red color is moving out. So this is the trick of this tool. I'll just very slowly I'll move on the edges. If your computer lags, always you can unclick this option from here, high quality preview. So that will make your computer faster. So it has taken out all the edges, and you could see that very effectively it has selected the whiter color and only the hair has been left. Now once this image is been selected, what you could do, you can just click on the black on black option and just see whether everything is looking okay. And for me, it's looking okay now presently. I'll again click on overlay, and then I can just click on contrast little bit. Actually, there is one feather option also. Earlier, I have not taught you about feather. It can soften the selection edges. So little bit I can increase. I can't increase too much. You could see this white color is coming. So I'll decrease just now. Okay, 0.6. I think there is no need of feather. I'll not touch this option. Let it be by default only. Shift edges, sometimes we need it, but just now I don't think so there is any need. And for me, it's looking okay now. I'll just click on black and white and see it will show that how the selection is being done. And then I'll just use the smooth option from here. It will smooth the outer edges. So think not too much I'll use, because then it will corrupt my image. No, I think without using smooth it's okay. Firstly, I should see how it looks. So I'll click on OK. But before that, there is one layer mask option here. You could see here on the bottom. Just click on new layer with layer mask. So I'll click on this and click on OK. So as a result, you will see it has made the duplicate of my original image and with the layer mask. Now this is separate option here. This is the image and this is the layer mask. Now whatever the work I have done just now, it's been preserved here in the layer mask. And what I could do, again if I want to select this, I can always right click, and here the option is there, select and mask, and I can again go back to refine the image. And just now I don't want to do anything, I'll click on cancel and let's see how it looks. So what I'll do, I'll just take one adjustment layer, create a new fill or adjustment. I'll click upon this and then I'll click on solid color. So by default this kind of layer is there. I'll just drag it down, click on OK. I'll just drag it down and it will show me the idea how my image is looking like. So I hope this is okay for me. Still, if you want to refine this image, always there is the option. You can just select on this layer mask by this white border is here. So once I have done all these things, I want to see how this image is looking like. Either I can save this image as a PNG file, or either I'll try to use some background. Suppose this background I want to use, or okay, let it be this one, and I'll just drag it here and I'll press Ctrl T, and after pressing Ctrl T I'll make it a little bigger and then move this layer at the bottom. Now you could see how my image is looking like, and always you can use the blur option a bit just to give a realistic look to the image. So this is okay, so I'm satisfied with my image, and I hope you have learned how to select the image along with the hair. I hope everything is clear. So if you like my explanation, please do like, share and comment. and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon with the next tutorial.